Hello guys, welcome to my baking class today. Today I'm gonna prepare a jar cake, two flavors, which I'm not gonna reveal right now. By the way, you'll get to know at the end of the video the flavor of the jar cake. So let's start. So here it goes, guys. This is the base layer for my jar cake. As you can see already, the ingredients in it, which is oats, dates, and digestive biscuits, which I'm going to mix it in a jar in this. So by this, my base layer will be ready for my first flavor of the jar cake. So let's go. So next is the blueberry sauce, which is in process right now, which is the second flavor of the jar cake. Chili, blueberry cheesecake or jar cake. I've already made a blueberry cheesecake first, and this will actually like it. So I'm making it again, so let me taste it again. So bye, let's see. So So, hey guys, as we have seen yesterday, I have baked two different flavors of jar cake and I've put it in the refrigerator to make it better. So, let's see how it is. So, as you have seen, the delicious jar cake of two flavors, which is actually looking so delicious. Can't wait to eat it with the people I've made for them. So, let's see. I hope they like it. So, So that's it from my side. Meet you in the next episode into my baking world. Until then, bye bye. See you.